again, you're welcome to Better Faith e-learning platform. My name remains Mrs. Eunice Eguasa, and this morning I'm going to be teaching Basic 4 and Primary 4 classes. Please pay attention closely. For those of you that were with me previously, I gave you dictation on some words. I hope you remember. So quickly we are going to do the correction so that you can personally assess yourself. Okay, let's go. Alright, the number one word was excursion. E-S-C-U-R-S-I-O-N, excursion. E-S-C-U-R-S-I-O-N, excursion. Number two, excited. E-S-C-I-T-E-D, excited. Number three, remembered. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R-E-D, remembered. Number four, mentioned. M-E-N-T-I-O-N-E-D, mentioned. Number five, material. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material. Number six, exported. E-X-P-O-R-T-E-D, exported. Number seven, supervisor. S-U-P-E-R-V-I-S-O-R, supervisor. Number eight, plantation. P-L-A-N-T-A-T-I-O-N, plantation. Number nine, manager. M-A-N-A-G-E-R, manager. Number 10, experience. E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E, experience. Please quickly assess yourselves. Please, whatever score you have, kudos to you. There is room for improvement. Good. Alright, we are quickly going to move to today's topic. I have a topic on the board which is sentence connector. Sentence connector. The word sentence connector. We are talking of connector. What joins one sentence to another sentence to make it one complete sentence. Sentence connectors are words used to join two sentences or paragraphs. Sentence connectors are words used to join two sentences or paragraphs. Examples given: but, and, although, however, not only, also, next, etc. So these are examples of sentence connectors. I take them again. The word but, and, although, however, not only, also, next, etc., etc. Now look at the board. I have some sentences on the board. Number 1 and 2A to C. Number 1A says, John will play football tomorrow. 1B says, John will not go for shopping. So to put the two sentences together, or to join the two sentences together, you need a sentence connector. A word, just a word that can join sentence A to sentence B to make it one complete sentence. Good. So the number 1C is the sentence connector. And it says, John will play football but will not go for shopping tomorrow. Do you see it? The word but has been able to connect sentence 1A to sentence 1B to make good sense. Example 2. 2A says, Chebe played yesterday. 2B says, Chebe won the game. 2C, the sentence connector. The connector we're using here is the word not only. It's being used as a word, one word, not only. 2C says, not only did Chebe play yesterday, he won the game. Not only did Chebe play yesterday, So you see, sentence connectors, they join two sentences or paragraphs to make one complete sentence as it is. I quickly take it again. John will play football tomorrow. 1B says John will not go for shopping. 1C says John will play football, but will not go for shopping tomorrow. 2A, Chebe played yesterday. Chebe won the game. And the connector says not only did Chebe play yesterday, he won the game. So you see, sentence connector makes your sentence beautiful and simple. Good. Quickly, we are going to move to another interesting topic, which says comparing objects and people using the word same as. Comparing objects and people using the word same as. When you say comparing, or from the word compare, it means you have two things that you are comparing, two things that you are trying to merge. So we have examples here. We are working with the word same as. Aminu's bag. Look at this word, Aminu's. Apostrophe S shows possession. Okay? Do not forget. Aminu's bag is same as Ajara's. And we have our apostrophe S here also, showing possessions. Number 2, the color of this house is same as mine. The color of this house is same as mine. So the word same as is used to compare objects and people. When you have two things that you are trying to compare, you are trying to match, you are trying to see the similarity between them or the differences between them. That is what we are looking at. Comparing objects and people using the word same as. I take it again. Haminu's bag is same as Ajara's. If the apostrophe S wasn't there, it wouldn't have made sense. So please always look out for apostrophe S. It talks about possession, means Aminu's bag. It is Aminu's bag. The bag belongs to Aminu. Okay, Aminu's bag is same as Ajara's. 2. The color of this house is same as mine. So please, there are so many examples, so many sentences that you can make. Like even in communication, always look out for words like this. Always spice your speech, your communication with words like this. Alright, quickly, I'm going to run through it once more in order for you to understand it properly. Sentence connector says sentence connectors are words used to join two sentences or paragraphs, e.g. but, and, although, however, not only, also, next, etc. 1A, example, John will play football tomorrow. 1B, John will not go for shopping. So to connect these two sentences, 1C, John will play football but will not go for shopping tomorrow. I'm sure it makes sense. Example 2A, Chebe played yesterday. 2B, Chebe won the game. The sentence connector, not only did Chebe play yesterday, he won the game. Comparing objects and people using the word same as. Aminu's bag is same as Ajara's. The color of this house is same as mine. So you practice exercises. I hope you understood what I've just explained. It's quite simple. Good. Practice exercises. A. You are to connect the sentences with any of the connectors, although, not only, but, and also. Number 1. It will rain tomorrow. It is going to be a rainstorm. So you have to connect the two sentences using any of the connectors. 2. It rains every day now. The plants are growing. You have to connect the two sentences. 3. It doesn't look happy. Udo went home last week. The cat caught a rat yesterday. The rat escaped. Tunde came yesterday. He did not see his friend. One complete sentence. Okay. using any of the connectors you have on the board, although not only but and also. B, you are to write 5 sentences on your own using the word same as. Again, I said you are to write 5 sentences on your own using the word same as. I guess it's quite simple. It's a walkover for you. Please, make sure you do all of these and read your books. Read your books and do not play away your time. Is that understood? I wish you the best of the day. Thank you so much.